Sautéed mushrooms are a simple, flavorful, and versatile side dish, perfect to accompany meat dishes or to be enjoyed just with some good crusty bread. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt, black pepper, optional lemon juice. Clean the mushrooms using a damp cloth or a brush to remove any dirt residues. Slice the mushrooms or leave them whole if they are small. Peel the garlic cloves and chop them finely. Heat the extra virgin olive oil in the pan and add the chopped garlic, letting it fry until it becomes golden. Add the mushrooms, increase the heat and let them cook, stirring occasionally. The mushrooms will release their natural water. Continue cooking until all the water has evaporated and the mushrooms are nicely browned. Then season with salt and pepper to taste and, if you like, a little lemon juice. Transfer the mushrooms to a serving plate and sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley before serving. Mushrooms are a highly appreciated food in Italian cuisine and can be prepared in many different ways. Enjoy your meal. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website for more delicious recipes.